Hi, Willard Wizards. I'm going to have a story time from my home. And so we're going to have some books from Mo Willems with Elephant and Piggie. Our first book, My New Friend is So Fun, by Mo Willems. You can see that Gerald, the elephant, does not look happy in this picture, but Piggy and his new friend look very happy. Let's see what happens. Hi, Gerald. Hi, Snake. Have you seen Piggy? Piggy just met Brian Bat for the first time. Now they are playing. Fun! Brian Bat is nice. I know. Brian is my best friend. Piggy is my best friend. Both Piggy and Brian are so nice. They must be having a really fun time. Yeah. They must be having a super fun time. Yeah. They must be having a super duper fun time. Yeah. They must be having a. Oh no. What if they're having too much fun? How can they have too much fun? They could be having more fun than they have with us. More fun. Much more fun. Much more fun. If they are having that much fun together, then maybe they do not need us. I do not want to lose my best friend. I do not want to lose my best friend. We must do something. We must tell them to stop having fun. Piggy! Brian! Skip, skip. Oh, hi, Gerald. Hi, Snake. Piggy, Brian, we have to tell you something. So do we. You do? We have to tell you how much fun we're having. So much fun. We have been playing best friend games. Best friend games. It's best friend fun. Best friend fun. We even made best friend drawings. Best friend drawings. It is worse than we feared. We are doomed. Do you want to see our drawings? I must cover my eyes. I cannot cover my eyes. Ta-da! Oh. You made drawings of us? Of course. You are our best friends. What did you have to tell us? Have fun with your new friend. And let's find. Here's a nice bookmark covering Pigeon, who happens to be drawing the bus. The end. Well, I like that book by Mo Willems. Woo! Elephant and Piggy really are best friends, aren't they? Do you think that Elephant should have been afraid that he was going to lose his best friend Piggy? Do you remember the last time you met a new friend? Do you think it's hard to make new friends? Maybe talk with one of your family members about that. Have a great day. Our next Mo Willems book is Are You Ready to Play Outside? Piggie! Gerald! Are you ready to play outside? Yes, yes, yes. We are going to do everything today. We're going to run. We're going to skip. We are going to jump. Nothing can stop us. Blink. Oh no. It is starting to rain. It is raining. It is pouring. It is really pouring. I have never seen so much rain in my life. I do not like rain. I am not a happy pig. Thank you, Gerald. But it is still raining. Grrr. How can anyone play outside with all this rain? Rain! Yay! Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, 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 splash. They're having fun. Maybe we can have fun too. We can try. Splash! This is great. Let's play. Run, run, run. Skip, skip, skip. Jump, jump, jump. I love rain. I hope it rains all day. Rats. Now I like rain, and now the rain has stopped. I am not a happy pig. Do not worry, Piggie. I have a plan. Rain? Elephants make the best friends. And there's Pigeon. I really like this one too. One of the things I like about this is that they're trying to play outside. I'm hoping that you get to play outside too this week. So, one of the things though is that it might rain, it might snow a little, it might be warm, it might be chilly. We don't really know what it's going to be like outside, but it will be good to get outside this week. I know that I'm going to go for walks after school. I know I'm going to try and jog a little. I'm going to try and go have some fun with my family, and I'm hoping that you can do the same. Now, don't worry if it is raining or snowing. Just make sure that you have the right things so that you can have fun outside. But do try to have some fun and do try to get outside. All right. Have a great day.